Got one. Sir. Cool. Awesome. It's a real windy one today too. Nice. Gonna release him. Pickerel. Bust me off. Ooh. Cool. 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 Let him go. Got one. Grab it. Ooh. Cool. Let him go. Oh, nice one. Ooh. That was a nice one, guys. Woohoo! That's a great fish. Dang. I think it's a tank. Sheesh. It's amazing. Just look at him. Healthy guy. Let him go. Cool. Let him go. Nice. Sweet. Beautiful fish. Let him go. This wind's bad. relax for a second so I can unlock the hand. Fantastic, guys. Gonna let him go. Like I said, it's really windy here. I'm gonna get blown back in the dam. Cool. Gonna let him go. What's going on, folks? I'm just getting off the water for the day. I have work later on, so I'm gonna go home and get ready for that, and I'm probably gonna make my video while I'm down over there working. So just trying to think of anything exciting. I caught that nice bass, guys, and I caught another little bass. I think that bigger bass was the female, and that second bass that was, I guess, considerably smaller, I think that was the male. And I think maybe that there was like a bedding area, or maybe that was an area that they were perhaps getting ready for spawning season. So again, I think I've caught in that fish before, that bass, because I've caught in something similar to size and pretty much same location, doing the same technique. Not saying they are the same fish, but I wouldn't be surprised if they were. And yeah, guys, had a lot of fun. I went all the way around this lake, and I didn't really have too much luck. I was throwing my swim dinghy around a lot, and I didn't really have too many strikes. Like, I saw a few wakes, but nothing actually came out to hit my lure. So, you know, it's kind of interesting. Like I said, I finished up fishing the bank over here. The wind is really ripping, so it was really tough trying to stay still. I left my anchor in the truck, which was a big mistake, so I was doing a lot of paddling around, a lot of repositioning. So mainly today was a bunch of bluegill and some bass. I should have had a few pickerel, but they weren't out playing today like I wanted them to. But hey, it's alright. I kept some tomorrow. And yeah, with that being said, tomorrow's gonna be Saturday, the weekend. I think me and my dad are planning on going out. We may just take out the kayaks, take it easy. Again, we may take out the boat. We got to see how I'm feeling when I come home from work. I usually like getting the boat ready the day beforehand, taking it out, so that way the day I plan on taking the boat out, I can just kind of walk out the garage and have everything ready to go, and I can just roll out and go fishing, and not have to worry about putting the batteries in and hooking up the boat to the truck. So I have a process that I like keeping to. So we'll see if I really want to do that tonight, and if I decide that I just want to save time and save energy, I may just go with my kayaks. So we'll see, guys. Like I said, I have a decision, and again, you guys will know tomorrow on what I decide. So please, LSS, again, it's like, share, subscribe, and always keep on casting.